Y'all heard the music. I know y'all heard the music. Y'all know what time it is. It's me, Tina Marie, with True Meaning of Radiance. If you're not subscribed to the channel right now is the time to subscribe. Make sure your notification bell is on. So each and every time I upload in this thing, you are alerted. Normally we upload twice a week, once in the morning to give you the news you really want. And then at night, you get a video, and that's Monday through Friday. Saturday and Sunday, bonus videos might come your way. So let's get started. So they're doing buy three, get three free. So that's still going on right now. I think that's a pretty good deal. But with a lot of the new sales that's going to be coming up with all these try it to believe it events, you might want to wait, but if you want new stuff right now, you can go ahead and take advantage of that sale. Now, try a new fragrance is coming. A new fragrance is coming. Fall in Bloom. What do you guys think of Fall in Bloom? I'm scared of it because I do not do florals like that. So we'll see if I like it. But I want to go ahead and say I like it like that. Yeah, the rewards program, I like it like that. It is nationwide. I'm telling y'all, it feels so good to go in the store. They like enter your phone number for your rewards account. I'm like, okay, girl, let me enter my phone number. Ow. So it's now nationwide with the rewards, and this is amazing. No longer do we have to use area codes, zip codes, and stuff like that that are not in our area, and we can go in stores with our phones and redeem our rewards. We don't have to do the buy online, pick up in store. Now, Danielle Send It Life, you do not check her out on IG. You need to be. So she had a little mini return she had to do, and she didn't buy anything, I guess, while she was there and did her return. I'm not sure how the transaction went, but what Bath and Body Works did, they got their lick back. They took her points for the purchase. So I know some areas it's been going on like this for a while, but some people it wasn't happening to. But now, if you do a return, okay, they get their points back. Okay, they take their lick back. They like, give it back. I want it back. So they'll take the points back from you. And a lot of companies do that. I didn't have that issue with Bath and Body Works. I know with a couple of returns I did a few months ago, they didn't take my points. But maybe, I don't know how they knew who it was. But I guess with the new way that they're tracking it, because now they track everything with your phone number for returns and stuff like that. Because before they didn't even really take much information for returns, emails, nothing. So now all of it's trackable. Now they can get their lick back. That's crazy. Now Bath and Body is life. What that do? Y'all don't check her out. She's on Instagram. She's on YouTube. Girl, I need this cider donut. I need this cider donut. Oh, I am a sucker for a lippy. I don't know what it is. I just love Bath and Body Works lippies. They probably got some Dollar Tree quality, but because they got pretty pictures, I will pay the upcharge, okay? But this is really cute. Like, I need one for me and one for Grace because cider donut. Oh, and if you have like a female cop friend or something and you get them the cider donut, oh my God, and they can use it in a cop car, cops donuts. Okay, anyway, get back to it, Tina. All right, Boho Guru. If you're not check her out, she on YouTube, she on IG. She keeping us broke again. She gonna show her a cute little picture of her sent other day with the ivory and cashmere. And I was not paying it no mind. I'm like, ivory cashmere, girl. I got you, girl. I don't need the new. Then she paired it with her perfume and then made a picture. And I'm like, you know what? I might need more of this, okay? So I went in stores yesterday. I'm over here putting the diamond shimmer mist all over me. And I'm like, I need a reward. So as soon as my reward come through, I'm getting ivory cashmere and the diamond shimmer mist. Thank you, Miss Boho Guru. Okay. Now, if you're not checking out Tess, okay, what are you doing? Tess, Life Inside the Page, YouTube. She has her own blog post. All right. She does things on Etsy. You need to be checking her out. So let's talk about her blog. I'm not giving all the tea of all the stuff that's coming soon. You gonna have to go read it. So if you're not checking out Tessa's blog, you're missing out. All right. It ain't no social media site. It's just a website. So go check out Life Inside the Page at Blogspot. Click a few little the little ads. Get her a little Christmas cash, But she letting us know about the new Christmas that's dropping. And I know you want to know. So go check it out, okay? Now, another thing you need to check out, Affirm. I'll leave the information below. They're giving $30 back after your first purchase with my code below, all right? So check out Affirm. I'm telling you, kids going back to school for a lot of people soon. I know my kids already went back last week, but other kids are about to go back. People trying to take trips and stuff like that. So definitely do it in payments with the firm. So you'll get $30 back after your first purchase. Go and sign up for a firm right now and get your purchase on. Now, I need to stop scrolling award goes to Instagram. I be scrolling and then stuff like this come up. Talk about some leave my kids smelling great. New natural deodorant for kids in gummy bear flavor. And here I go. Ooh, I want my kids to smell like gummy bears. All right. So now I want to get the gummy burst. I want the gummy burst so my kids smell like gummy bears underneath their arm. I need to stop scrolling on Instagram. It gets you in trouble. Them ads get you in trouble. And them ads be looking so good. And they know how to entice people like me. Because I'm over here like, ooh, ah, ooh, ah, ooh. That's me all over Instagram. All right. So I need to stop scrolling. So let's get into my final thoughts. Okay, this was funny. So I wanted to share it with y'all. Y'all love rushing fall to get here. Just so y'all can dress like Moesha. You dang on right. Okay, I need into that. Out to that. Eat to that. Okay, I need to be in my oversized clothes and just comfortable. Like, that's one thing I love about fall is comfortable season. All right, you ain't got to do too much, but fall is the time, though. If your face ain't cute, the body just ain't gonna do. So the butterfaces be struggling in the fall and the winter, but them pretty girls shine through. They do. So, sir, I'm gonna need you to mind your business and let us dress like Moesha, because I'm about to get them shoes, them Chuck Taylors. Yeah, I'm really gonna be on my Moesha. New day is not in me. In me. Okay, I'm about to be all up on it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Remember, rate, comment, subscribe, and DJ one time for the people that's going to get their mugs so they can enjoy Candle News Network the correct way. In the front and the back. Play my music.